Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is literally going to be like one of the fastest videos ever, but I have colored my hair with you guys so many times. You know how I do it, like sections and that kind of thing. A lot of the time I don't even do sections. Anyways, I have been trying to kind of like fade my hair out. I don't really know where I was going with it, but this is what it looks like right now. So it is like orange and red and a really gross yellow. It's just like a bad combination of colors right now. So I decided I am going to try something different. My hair's been red for years, and I actually have, this is Excellence Hicolor in the shade H19, which is True Violet. I'll put a picture of a box right here for you guys. I'm gonna try this out. This is what I normally would use on my sister's hair, but she has stopped coloring her hair, so I happen to have one bottle left of this. So I've decided just to say fuck it and use that hair color and see what happens. So yeah, I don't know. I took the time to try to lighten my hair. Don't like it. So yeah, I'm gonna color it, see what happens. I will maybe show you guys me coloring it, but I'm gonna speed it up really fast because like I said, on my channel I have tons of videos of me coloring my hair. And then I will rinse it out and do my makeup and stuff and show you guys the end result. So stay tuned. Forgot to tell you guys, I'm gonna mix it with 10 Volume Developer. My hair is in pretty bad shape. I'm just applying color to it, so I'm just gonna use 10 Volume. If you were bleaching your hair or something, you could do 20 Volume, but I am just going to mix 10 Volume with the hair color and then apply it to my hair for about 25 minutes. I'm done. I'm gonna wait 25 minutes and then rinse it out and show you guys what it looks like. No, I did not wear a cape. No, I did not wear gloves. My hands did not get stained. Usually I do red without gloves. I choose not to wear gloves. My own choice. I am a cosmetologist. I know I should be wearing them. I just choose not to.
Anyways, I will see you guys in a little bit.
Okay, you guys, here is the after. I want to show you guys in like natural light instead of being in my bathroom. So it is like a maroony type of purple. I think I like it a lot, honestly. What do you guys think? I'll put a before picture right here. And of course, after. Yeah, so this is how she turned out. Let me know down below what you guys think, and I will see you in the next video.